Second day high bridge of part 2. Just gonna do a warm-up lap and see if there's anything we could do today. But yeah, should be fun.
Should be excellent. Be careful, it's a little wet, but it might be good.
No, it's good. This is like grippy.
Grippy now?
Just be careful on the turns.
Yeah.
Go. Takes and get some air. Woo! Oh, popped again, huh? Let's get some control. Okay, case that a little bit. Whew. Yeah, okay. Not bad. Second run. Here we go. It's hopefully no pops this time. Didn't pop, which is good. Didn't pop this time.
Ready?
Yep. Just envisioning in my head how to hit tricks. Oh my God. Woo! Cool. That was like my best run, dude. That was my best run.
That was a good one.
Let's hit it.
Nice. Oh.
Dropping. Whoa! Dude, that was way too big off that, dude. Huh? I went way too big off it. Damn, I almost literally front flipped.
Did you really?
I screwed up the speed again on that, but it's all right.
Yo, it's running so much better today.
Yeah, it's fast, right?
It's not dusty anymore.
Yeah, it's dusty as hell.
Yeah, it's a lot grippier. Let's get some air. Let's do it. All right, guys, last it's our last jump, or I don't even know. See, I'm just like done.
Yeah.
Anyway, fun second day, and we'll see you next week.